Assalam-o-Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are in a village of Sindh province where almost 150 families are living in this village. But the only place for their worship is the masjid behind us. And the source of the water for them is, as you seen in this video, where the children of the area, they come and collect water here for their drinking and bath purpose and all their need of water for their family. This masjid have been affected in the flood disaster 2022. So that's why their walls are, they got very hilarious cracks in the walls, and here you can see the masjid building. So therefore it's there's a crack all over the building of the masjid. So it's not so safe. The roof condition also you can see in here. Anytime the masjid roof can be collapsed. So that's why it's very dangerous to come here and perform their worship. So the masjid size is also not enough for the people of the village. They can perform their salat together at one time in this masjid, and there is no facility for their children to study for Quran and other subjects. So, Assalamu-Alaikum. क्या नाम है पुत्र?
अबू बकर सिद्दीक
अबू बकर, माशाल्लाह. इते रंदा आयो इते इन गोठ में
गोठ में रंदा
माशाल्लाह. ता पढ़दा आयो
पढ़दा नहीं
छो बोला
पढ़ावर को आए ना
इते मस्जिद में भी कौन थो पढ़ा तो कोई इते ता उस्ताद कोने जा
उस्ताद को नहीं
तो इते बिया जेका बार इन को भी कौन थो पढ़े थे
को भी न तो पढ़े.
Allah is the child from this village. His name is Abu Bakr, and he is explaining that there are so many children, but unfortunately no one is studying in the madrasa or in the masjid here, because he say there is no one like any imam sahab or any muezzin or any ustad who come here to teach those children, because the masjid condition is not very good as the children can stay to study here. So now the need at the urgent basis is to demolish this masjid first and increase the size and rebuild the big masjid here, which is the requirement for those villagers. At least 100 children will get the place for study and for their worship. 100 people, they will perform 5 times salats here. When they have no masjid, especially for Jummah, they have to travel almost 5 kilometers by walk. They go to attend the Jummah masjid in the city area. So you are requested to donate toward this noble effort in path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you build the house of Allah in this dunya, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will build your palace in Jannatul Firdaus, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.